Wait a minute. Hey, what's happening? Oh, yes, I'm very late. I apologize. I've been on the phone all morning with Marty, Robin, Julie. I just told Pete, let me go do this live. I'm here. I'm back. I'm never leaving. Just a lot of things that happened on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Extremely busy. And I apologize, but I'm here. I want to let you know real quick, 2 o'clock, which is in, I don't know what time it is, almost a little more than a half hour, is the UK Red Redford. Paul Angus, Patty's going to be on there. Excellent presentation for guests. If you got a guest, I did post that link below. It's very good presentation. If you got someone new, please bring them on. They'll love it. And then at 3 o'clock, Peter Schurz also has a, and I got to put that link on there. Pete, send me that link. Send me that link or put it on here. It's the Arabic webinar, 3 o'clock. That is also public for guests. If you're Middle Eastern speaking, please get on. I got a lot of friends that are Middle Eastern. Let me say hi to everybody. Hamp, what's happening? Juanita, MD, what's happening? Nunamur, Prethap, what's going on? Trevor, Jacqueline, Mohammed, Peter Shores in the house. Tobias. Hey, someone tagged, let me get Bill Mustin here. He's been calling me all morning too. So that is what's going on at 2 o'clock. Pete's the 3 o'clock, Middle Eastern, like I said. And then at 6:30, Julie Milo. Michael Williams will be on there for about an hour. You know, Michael always gets everyone fired up. And then at 8:30, myself and Narelle Warcon will be doing the hey crazy show. And we're not even going to give a presentation today. We're going to do just a lot more talking. This really, you could bring a guest, but we're going to talk about Onpassive, but we're going to have a little bit of fun. What's happening, Beth Ann Nolan, Neil Ingram? So that's what it's about. What myself and Narelle are trying to do is, because we do get on a lot of webinars, we're going to come off the Julie and Milo. They usually do a presentation, so we might even cut it back a little bit because I know ours goes pretty late at night. So just a thought, if it's flowing, we're going to keep it going. But if it's stalling a little bit and we're running out of things to say, we'll just knock it out and let you go to sleep for once. Hey, that's a great idea. Let's see. I told you Ash Mafura has no scheduled appearances this week, but that could change. We'll see. If it does change, we'll let you know. A lot of people are asking me all kind of questions last night, even though I told you the answer already, but that's okay. You can keep them coming. I'm doing the best to keep up with people. It's not always easy. Leadership is very, very busy putting out the right information. There's some videos out there again that are founders, but they're not really saying the right thing, and we're trying to correct that. So guys, don't make a video about something that you're not sure about, or if you're putting out the wrong information. We want everyone to have the right information. So if you're one of those YouTubers and you get a call from one of us, we're just letting you know that some of the things you're saying in there are wrong. We want everyone to stay on the same page. We can keep positive. That's great. You're getting out there and doing stuff like that, but it's very important that we're all on the same page with the right information. There's a lot of things old on YouTube that has been changed since 2018, 2019. That's no longer there. Okay, but a lot of you guys are posting stuff like that. We have been updated 100 times over since we started this. All the updates are great, but don't share those old videos because that has totally changed out there. Once again, I'm here to tell everyone about Onpassive. I'm getting all kind of text here. I apologize. What we want to do is keep it positive. We want to keep people on the same page. Listra, what's happening? Jacqueline Lewis, Milan, how you doing, buddy? James Yates, Bedrol, Bethan, Neil, Narelle's in the house. Ahmed, Pampra, Peter Schur just posted his webinar on the comments. Tanya Onpassive, thank you for reaching out this morning, Tanya. We did have a big storm last night. Luckily, I didn't lose power, but it really tore up my yard, so I got a little bit of work to do out there. But hey, Pam Turner, I will mention about Cedric's meet and greet on Sunday. I'll have those out posted probably on Friday because they'll get lost in the shuffle. Also, Judy Miller is doing one on Sunday also in Florida. So we got Philly and Florida doing meet and greets. Those are going really good. We'll get you all the proper links so you can get on those and support Cedric and Judy. A lot of fun those are, and a lot of people are starting to do them. So if you are going to do one, please get back with me so I can help you advertise that. All right, no problem advertising that. $97, folks, to change your life, change the world. A lot of people are saying, "Where's Ash?" I told you, Ash is really busy. I know what I'm busy. I can't imagine what he's going through, but he'll get out there and calm you all down with some of the information that I'm sure he has. I don't know nothing about what's going on right now. Mark Boot, what's happening? There's Judy. Bahula Gupta, how you doing, buddy? Hey. God, I hate when I miss people on here. If I miss you, I'll get you in the comments afterwards. But $97 to join a multi-billion-dollar company that does it all for you. It's an amazing company. A lot of people are still saying, "Oh, Chris," but that's okay, because when you see it and we launch, I guarantee I'll be joining you to this family. After we launch, you're still going to have the same opportunity, but the founder position is the perk place to be. Why I say that? Because you're going to be a part of many different kind of things that Ash has coming up, and he said that he's going to share his wealth with the founders, and he's also going to make a lot of people very successful, whether you are a founder or a new family member after we launch. That's a good thing. He's actually made it where anyone can get in this all the time. I mean, founders' positions will come to an end when we launch to the world, but it's going to be opened up to a whole nother thing, which is pretty awesome. He's allowing anyone to get in this. Like I said, businesses, big business and companies are actually starting to join now. They're also waiting for the hard launch because they know all about artificial intelligence, direct traffic, which is seriously going to blow up their businesses. Now they're not going to have to pay someone hours to try to get direct traffic. They're going to have direct traffic brought right to them, not just in their area. They could pick and choose how they want to do that. If they're a global company, it'll be worldwide. If they're in one little area, like say Warren, Michigan, they could just direct the traffic off from Warren, Michigan to bring it to them. So it's really it's a cool thing. Bless, I talk about Bless. I love it. Academy, our learning tool, which I think Academy is going to be another great one, because people can get on there and explain to people how to fix things, how to speak a different language. It's going to be amazing. Connect with the many languages. You can talk to anyone in the world, basically hear my voices going. And I think that's very exciting, because I do have friends. Peter Rogers, what's happening? Peter Rogers, 2 o'clock, we all be there. I'm letting everyone know. And I did post it, Pete. Can you imagine talking to anyone in the world? All right, I do that every single day. I talk to people from all over the world. Luckily, some of them speak English, because I speak no other language. I have a lot of respect for people that can speak 2 or 3 different languages, which are in here, and it's pretty cool. But when Connect comes out, to actually be able to talk to these guys and have a conversation where they're hearing their language when I talk and I'm hearing their language when I talk, that to me is so cool. It's unbelievable. I wish I could learn. Actually, Julie last night was trying to teach me a little bit of Vietnamese. And there's some languages my tongue just doesn't twist the right way. So, hey, Dan McKenzie, what's happening? Seeing you have fun with Clanky on that boat. That was cool. Hopefully, I don't know when, Dan. I think this year's a wash for me, because I got my mom. Next year, we'll be enjoying the hell out of those boats, buddy, let me tell you. But I appreciate all those good pictures you put on there. But, guys, let me tell you something. What you're doing now is a cycle of life that we all kind of came to. You go to college. If you go to college, you get a job, you get married, you got kids. You work. You can't enjoy your family. And what happens a lot of the time is our grandparents raise our kids because we're working so much. This company is going to give you that time back. Boy, if I can go back in time and have something like this, where I was able to attend all my kids' sports functions, just when they brought the kids to the class and you talk to the teachers. There's a lot of things I missed out because I was working the night shift and many, many hours a week. I don't want that for you. If you have young kids right now, this is a great thing to get into. You're going to actually be able to spend time with your kids. All right, and then some of you go crazy, but it's the time in someone's life that you spend with family and friends that's the most important. It's really not even about making money, but most of us go out and make money. We get a job. It's a prison, more or less. Yeah, it pays your bills, but you have to turn things a lot down on your family because you got to work, which is sad. This is going to totally change that. This is going to give you your time back with your family, your wife, your husband, your kids, your friends. and get out and enjoy life like life's supposed to be enjoyed. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. My buddy on here who was just on here, he joined up. Yeah, he didn't even have any questions. Hey, I'll do it. I'll try it. Got nothing to lose. Get my money back, $97, and he got into it. I love those kind of people. Then we got the people that want to ask me 500 questions, and I'll answer all 500 questions for you. And then they say, it's not for me. That's okay. That's okay, because that's usually the people that don't believe what we're saying, or it's not true, or they see something negative on the internet. And I say, call me, ask me. Anyone that shares this, ask them all about Onpassive. I don't put links on here. I stopped building my team the day I got in Leadership Council to help other people build their teams. But if you are on my team and you got a couple of kids and you got those extra funds, get them in, guys. I promise you this, get them in. It's going to pay for everything. They're going to have a wonderful life, and you'll be blown away by it. But yes, the process is going on a little longer because things are changing. Ashman Farr sees something, he's not crazy about it, he'll change it. Remember, he spent 20 years watching these systems, not what they were doing right, but what they were doing wrong. All right, he corrected all that. Boom, Onpassive was born. Onpassive doesn't have those negative things or the things they weren't working. Why? Because with Onpassive, he could take anyone he wants with him, where before it was almost impossible. MLM companies are still going out there. We have tons of people in MLM that are joining this just for the direct traffic and the artificial intelligence. You can still do all that. But technically, Onpassive is your business. It's going to work for you. If you have another business online or a brick and mortar company, it's still going to help you out. And when you see it happen, it's going to be amazing. So I did not look at my birthdays. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. I know Marina Favorite and her partner, her husband, her boyfriend, has a 4-year anniversary. Happy anniversary to you. If you do have a birthday, and I'll get it later, happy birthday to you. If you are sick, I'm praying for you. I know the corona is exploded again. Just be safe. Do your due diligence and checking things out what can keep you safe. I don't want anybody sick. I know I can't afford to get sick with my mom. So I keep myself secluded in this shell, what I call my dungeon here, not really doing anything. So, and that's okay. If it protects my mom, that's what it's all about. If it protects you, that's what it's all about. But be safe about it. Be smart. Eat healthy. Try to exercise and get yourself in good shape. But I got to get going. Don't forget 2 o'clock, which is in less than a half hour, 22 minutes. The UK, I posted that. Pete posted his link below for the Middle Eastern. I will post the Julie Milo show with Michael Williams tonight. And then the Norel Warcon and Chris Johnson Hey 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 show is at 8:30. I will post that later, so I don't want to get lost. But get in it. Have fun with it. Keep doing what you're doing. Let this happen. And when it happens, kaboom, 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 kaboom. You're going to be in a great place. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you at 2 o'clock. Get on it, UK. I'm coming. See y'all later.